Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to stop iPhone from dimming while playing games. If your iPhone dims while playing games, it is usually due to automatic brightness, display settings, or power saving features. These settings are designed to conserve battery and protect your screen, but can interrupt gameplay. Adjusting a few options can help keep your screen consistently bright. To begin, open Settings. Tap the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to Display and Brightness. Choose Display and Brightness and make sure the brightness is set to a minimum brightness. Turn up Auto Brightness. Go to the Accessibility, Display and Text Size, then disable Auto Brightness. Adjust brightness manually. Increase brightness using the slider in the Settings or Control Center. Disable True Tone. Turn up True Tone to prevent automatic color and brightness adjustments. Turn up Night Shift. Disable Night Shift to avoid dimming and warm color changes. Set Auto Lock to longer time. Go to Display and Brightness, Auto Lock, and choose a longer duration or never. Turn off Low Power Mode. Via Settings again, Battery, Power Mode, and disable Low Power Mode, which can reduce brightness. Check Focus Modes. Ensure Do Not Disturb or other focus settings are not affecting display behavior. Close background apps. Free up system resources to maintain performance and brightness. Remove screen protector issues. Ensure it's not interfering with ambient light sensors. Avoid overheating. Let your iPhone cool down, as overheating can cause automatic dimming. Update iOS. Via Settings again, General, Software Update, and install updates. Restart your iPhone. Reboot your device to apply changes and fix minor issues. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.